story is called Little Elephant Listens. Love you, little elephant. Little elephant listens with his big ears. He listens to Papa Elephant. Time to eat. He listens. Crunch, munch, munch, munch. Listens to Brother Elephant. Time to play. Brum, brum, brum. Listens to Mama Elephant. Time for a bath. Splish, splash, splish, splash. He listens to Mama and Papa Elephant. And at night, everyone listens to Zzz, Little Elephant. Zzz. The end. Thanks, class. That was today's story. Subscribe on the subscribe button for Henry's books. Thanks, class. Bye.